Hey guys, so today I'm gonna give you a house tour. House? Um, medyo lahat kasi. Ay, medyo lahat kasi loob. So, this part is similar to this one. Itong white, similar to dito. Pero silang may ganito, parang sabit-sabit na. So, first dito sa living room. Ito yung living room. And this is the bathroom. Yes, this is the bathroom. And this is the kitchen or the dining table. This is the kitchen. There's another room too. Oh no, that's not room. It's not the room. I mean, this is the room. And there's another bedroom here. For the kids. And this is the bathroom. So I'm gonna go upstairs. Oh my god, ang love. Nagkikila ko sa'yo. So this here where I sleep. So this is where I sleep pala. And dito, ewan ko dyan. And this is my closet. And dito nakapagay kong yung mga pera ko. Yes. And this is a toilet. May toilet pa dito. And there's another bathroom here. Yes, walang pintuan. Because this is my room. No one in this. Oh my god, ang hard. Like, for real. Ngayon pa talaga. So, go outside. Nice, so good. Ikutin naman natin siya. So, ito naman. Ayan, may duyan sila. Yes. Ito yan, may table. Oh my god, naaasar na ako. Ay! So, yan. Nakatira ko sa house 25. Nakatira sa house 25. Malapit kami sa sa ocean. Sa isla. Yan, nag-swimming na ako. At kailangan naglalakad. Here it goes. Okay, bye-bye.